welcome back to our channel. It's our Saturday morning at 10:30. I went to the market. The kids, I woke them up when I got back at like 9:30. So now it's time for Ben's second coronavirus pandemic haircut. Mommy's gonna do it this time with some assistance with Dad. All right, we just about started, and here we go.
Kind of disgusting. Teddy! So hot. No, don't eat that. Ew, that's disgusting. He's eating the beastos on the pool. I can't really see because I'm too small.
wait. I gotta work this way.
It's the best you can guys get. Watch out.
I need a new one. I'm gonna throw this one out.
I'm kind of. So, I know you guys can see. I'm sorry I'm shaky. I'm just really hot and I shake a lot. Teddy follows me now. It's really blurry though. It's a really old one. It's water. It's dripping. Teddy, watch out.
Before we opened the pool, I think this is happening when I was giving Ben a haircut. So now you know it's about 11:45. Daddy's off to the pool guy, which is just around the corner, to get chemicals. We're filling up the pool now with some more water. It was dirty, the walls are dirty, but we have a nice scrubber. So once we fill it up, get chemicals in it. The filters, is the filter already on? Is the filter on? Oh, that's right. Once the water's high enough, then we'll plug in the filter so it can get all that gunk out. And then we'll be scrubbing the pool today and tomorrow. It's so gorgeous out. There goes Daddy, pool guy. So she made a hopscotch. She only did 1, 2. You're supposed to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you did a little bit shorter. Then she made her triangles and an American flag. What is it? Oh, I see. Yep, a kitty cat over there. So, it is 12:40. We just had lunch. Emma's finishing up. Ben's finishing up his games while he's having his lunch. Daddy went to get the chemicals for the pool and the AC. The one that we had at this window each year was from my grandfather, so it's a hand-me-down, and it's just not doing well. So we're going to toss that one, and he's going to get another one. There's one pretty cheap. I forget where. So he's going to grab that. So, yeah. And then we'll go and we'll work on the pool. Then after, Ben's going to cut the grass. So. I should have showed you the pool when we opened it up. It was gross. So we bought a bunch of chemicals and it cleared up right away. So now it just needs to get cleaned. And the ladder needs to get cleaned. And up here, all around the pool has to get cleaned. Did Daddy already scrub inside? Because it looks good. He did? And we filled it up to where it needs to be for the filter to run. Way too much chemicals. It's not good for our bodies. It has to filter out for a while. Here's Teddy. He likes the pool. Show him again. I was just zooming into you guys, and then you put him down. He likes swimming in the pool. Don't let him in.
Try not to.
Yep, that's good. Go ahead, take him down. So our yard looks really good. Ben cut the grass. We can move our table back over here if we want. Let me go fix his house and the table.
Open the pre-valve,
So Ben's on a Zoom meeting with the Boy
top of the
Scouts to see
More
the space
importantly,
shuttle.
when we open the valves, that'll allow us to begin chilling the 9 Merlin 1D turbo pumps
Go ahead,
on the
change
first
it.
stage engine. It'll take a few minutes to get them cold enough to where they would then be ready to pass the large amounts of liquid oxygen through the pumps and into the main thrust chambers when we get to engine ignition at T-minus 2 seconds. We don't want to try to run highly chilled liquid oxygen through a warm pump. You would flash that into gas, and running gas through a high-speed pump is not a good thing. So right now, we are waiting for T-minus 7 minutes. They'll start the engine
8
chill.
minutes.
Shortly after that,
Alright, we'll
will
show you
also
when
hit
it's
the
about
fuel
to start.
shutdown.
So we got up the new AC. We got the other AC in our bedroom. We took down the fans, back down in the basement. Being that we're home every day, we need these
If I
ACs
didn't
up.
even turn the grill on yet, you weren't ready to bake yet, then it shouldn't be on.
What?
The grill.
I thought you said you were gonna turn it. Guys, it's 5:35. I've been cooking. Steven's got the barbecue chicken on the grill. These are the sweet potatoes. What it's going to be is, and I got here the mozzarella cheese and onion. Because of, oh shit, it's in wet. It'll have to dry. I think it's called the Wads, WADS. They're a vlogging channel, and she also does food hauls, and she shows you recipes, and she uses these people, which is wonderful. You should check them out. Six Sisters Stuff. And you can print them up on these great one-sheet recipes, and what I want to do is put them into page protectors and have maybe a little cookbook here to be able to whip out the ones that we like, and if we don't like it, I'll toss it and we won't make it again. But if the kids enjoy it and me and Steven enjoy it, then yeah. And it's not hard. It's not many ingredients. So you're gonna, I think we have to, I don't know if we're just, I gotta see if we're, guys, it's 10:30. No, you're not in it. We're watching live. Our church has been opened back up, but we feel because Steven is high risk right now and it's just beginning, and our priest is coughing, that we don't want to be there. So there are people there. We just saw them as they came in. We're gonna proceed to pray here at home, as my mom and dad are too. It is now 1:09, and we're waiting for the two men, Doug and Bob, to enter the spaceship, the space station. They already opened. No, the guys are waiting for them. Is over here. Daddy and Ben and Teddy, what are you doing? Ben got a boo-boo last night. He ran into his stairs. We put ice on it. It's a little bruised. Steven just vacuumed the pool out. It's nice and clear, nice and clean, but it's chilly today, only in the 60s. So, no going in the pool today.
If you're just tuning in, you're getting a live look.
Well, what's he saying? He's got a microphone. It's so cute. They got a sequined animal. That'd be cool if it was a dragon, because their name is Dragon. That's why maybe it is.
Appear closed visually now, and arrival configuration complete. Excellent to hear.
Emma, I think they're coming. Oh, you don't care. Okay. I thought you did.
With that, Endeavour, welcome to the International Space Station. Please come aboard. Never copies, with pleasure. We'll be there in a second.
Was that them telling them?
Yep. they have to get invited on.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, pretty much.
Here they come. Here they come.
See, they have to pad everything so when they come through, they don't scratch.
I see.
We have Bob Bankin from SpaceX Demo.
There's
Technician
Bob.
entering the
Yep, they
International
hug.
Space Station.
Look at that float right over to him.
Followed by Doug Hurley.
But we can't hear them talk. It's private stuff.
What if they say bad words?
Right? Or
Look, he already got her.
now this, you don't think it's their first time up in space, do you? Bob and Doug?
Oh, here's a picture.
Take a picture, Mom.
Look up, mister. There he is.
It's a great looking photograph.
Alright guys, so it is 2:15. We ordered for Emma on my app because she put in some of her birthday money on here. So she's getting the a refresher, right? What are you getting? The Very Berry Hibiscus. I've had that before and it's good, the lemonade. And then me, Daddy, and Ben, we're gonna order stuff once we get up there. So that's where we are right now. You can't see the sign yet over there, but we're at Starbucks. And we're getting some cake pops. And Daddy's getting a lemon cake piece there. Let's see, can we see the sign? Oh, it doesn't even say Starbucks over here. But that is Starbucks. Up next. Yeah.
Okay.
Recorder's getting us stuff.
Signs.
And I can always
Mommy.
make it go faster.
Cute pictures.
Yeah, huh? The leaves. They're getting all ripped up though.
Hi.
Hello.
You had a mobile order and you
Yes.
also had other things added
Yes,
to it as well, right?
I did.
So everything else would be 3073. What was the mobile order name?
Heather.
Heather? Okay.
I just put the chip in.
So then right there for me. Perfect. Okay. Here's mobile.
Yours, honey.
Oh, that small?
Now you take that right out. You just have the one drink with the mobile order, right?
Guys, it is 6 o'clock. We just had our dinner, and I'm taking them to my parents. When me and Emma went out for Starbucks, we started talking about how tomorrow they were going to go over from like 10 to 3. But then I says, you know what? They have usually do once a month sleepovers at my parents, and the last one was on March 13th, their last day of school in the building. So, and I'm being my parents are like, they're going to be spending tomorrow with no mask, and, you know, it's going to be part of our 15 people that we hang out with starting June 1st. Why not start tonight? Like, what's one night, you know?
My hair. You guys
And
like
my parents are completely fine with it, so, I'm dropping them off.
Do you like my
So
hair?
I'll miss them. Watch tonight. I'll be like, I miss them. I did a fishtail on her today.
She did good. I
Um,
moved it over to the side so I can put it on the side.
so, we're going.
I like a little cute sound.
Let's go. Hey guys, so it's the next boarding, and I forgot to end the vlog. So thanks guys so much for watching. We will see you next week with a new vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like what you saw and you want to join. Come and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Hit that bell button, and we will see you next week. Thanks guys.
You and me,